sound of the Russian River. Now this bridge here is private. You can tell by it's marked. That's their address. But I kind of wanted to pan around. I'm walking on the left side here, but check out the size of these boulders. Okay. Now those are loose. And we have to be careful. Look at that mudslide right there. Right above that big one. Gotta be careful. Mother Nature, respect her. When we build a road through Mother Nature, oh, she's gonna try many times over and over throughout history to challenge us to, ooh, yeah, that's what I like. Nature. So beautiful. The Russian whitewater. Beautiful, beautiful picture. Got the Russian river here. Very, very beautiful. Oh, don't want to go sliding down there. These people need to make stairs. Very nice, very pretty. We got more orchards coming up ahead. Orchards up and down this valley. Oh, look at this home. Very nicely designed. Cute yard. Very upkept with these pine needles and cones from these beautiful. Oh, dang, this one was from a forest fire a long time ago. Sometimes you can see fallen trees like that. I mean, I think this is near the No, it's the Wenatchee National Forest. I think that's where we're very near. We're gonna have to do some investigating. All I know is we're on the Inuit River Road, and we're going uphill towards Ardenvor. Ardenvor is just around the corner, or a few more corners. We'll see. Let's investigate.